Hello, today I'm gonna tune this Kawai piano, grand piano, but we have a little problem here. We have a broken string, and this one, I have to change it and put new string inside, and I will show you how I'm gonna do it. So, follow me. So first I have to take this broken string away, take it out of the piano. Here you have it. It's the number 14.5, the size of the string. Here are the strings, and the string is out of the piano, and usually we have 3 strings, and usually there are 2, one string is 2. It's connected together, and then we start here, and this one here will be also the same string, and this here the same string. Yeah, I have to lose the tuning pins to take them up, so I can put new string in and put it in the right position. One and a half, 2, 2.5, and I have here 3. Take it a little more up than 3 times here, 3.5. So here I have the same number of strings, same thickness. 14.5 is the number of this one. And then I have to find out the length of the string. At least 2 times this. Here we have it, 2 times here. Here I have the string. I have to put my glasses on so I can see it better. Here I take the length and I think I will take this string, the tuning pin up, and it's easier to put it inside. The tuning pins are very stiff, so I decided to take the tuning pin out. If they are loose, I don't do it like this. A little hammer here to put the pin down again. I'm used to do it with my tuning hammer when I'm changing the strings. There we go. And just checking the distance between the strings. I have to put the tuning pins a little down. It's sitting too high, so I have to put them a little down. Oh, I can. Almost in the same height. It's going a little down when I'm tuning the strings. Here we go again. Little back and then up again. And here, it's okay. Just using this meshing. It's softer on the string, so I'm not damaging the string when I'm just putting the little down close to each other. And tied together, same height. Push them a little down so they're sitting well. Just a little here. Okay, it's done now. New string, and now I can continue and start tuning the piano. Always important when you put the new strings down that the gap here are the same as here, so it looks nice, and they're hitting the string as it was before. you can easily forget to put them in right position, and the sound of the new string will be different because it's not hitting the hammer like it was before. And here we take it also here, when you take a look at the hammer, where he is touching the string. So this is how I was changing the string, and when we are not doing it regularly, like every week, every month, you get a little rusty how to do it. But I finished this one now, changing one string here. I finished tuning this piano. It sounds different now after the tuning. This is a quite good grand piano from Kawai, and I'm happy with this tuning. We have to tune it next week. They have a concert here on Wednesday next week. It's Wednesday today, after 1 week, and I will be here back before that, to the test and the concert, to tune this string again, because you put the string up, the pitch is here, and today it's going down. So maybe I have it a little higher today, and it's sinking down. When I come next week, I don't have to make a lot of changes. But new strings, you always have to be careful. I thank you for watching this video. See you later. Bye-bye.